Hi guys, what is going on YouTube? Today I will be opening up a Tidal tin for you guys. So I'm gonna go right into it, okay? Oh, I'm really excited for this tin. Ooh, okay, let's go pop it open. We have our beginner's guide. You know, all that good stuff. Not really beginner's guide, more like a other battle pack 2 for the Giants. Yeah. All right. Favorite promos. Promos. Alright. Let's go and open these first. So we have of course the monster that you're supposed to get from within. A title. One BLS. Super rare. One Allied of Justice Catastor. Super and one Super Dreadnought. Rail Cannon Gustav Max, and of course one Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Bear. I've been really looking forward to opening this tin when I first heard that it was going to come out, because it had some really good reprints. Alright. Oh, so it looks like we got a hidden Arsenal 7. Pretty good. Alright. Also, this is my first time opening Lord of Tachyon Galaxy, so I'm pretty excited. Alright, so I'll start with the hidden Arsenal. Hidden Arsenal 7. Oh, we got that troll secret. We got Sophia, Goddess of Rebirth. Gem Knight Sardonyx. I don't know how you pronounce that. Evil Storm O Lantern, Constellar Star Cradle, and Evil Swarm Compelio. Alright, next let's start with this writing. Right. When House Dustin, Mogmol, Mecha Sea Dragon Plesion, Heroic Advance, one Justice Prophecy Rare, and no Hollow. That's alright. Exceed Extreme, Missing Force, Mermaid Abysslung, and Achacha Chambar. Alright, the second pack of Abyss Rising. Alright, Madolchi Crufisant. One Bowblader. Stoic of Prophecy. House Dustin, again. Madolchi Messengelato, and again, unfortunately, no Hollow. We got One Shot Wand, Snowman Creator, Fishborg Launcher, and another Achacha Chambar. Alright, start with Lord of Tachyon Galaxy. Alright, we have one Panther Shark, Aerial Recharge, Gagaga Wind, Tatakawa Knight, one Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Rhino, and unfortunately, no hollow for that one either. Not doing too good right now. Alright, last pack of Lord of Tachyon Galaxy. Spoke of Miracles, Mimic, Balloon Boxer Counterpunch, Lightning Dragon Ruler, that was a banned card. Altitude Knight, and whoa, one Constellar Sombre, pretty good super. One Brother of the Fire Fist Wolf, Mega Phantom Beast, Black Falcon, and a Aurora Wing. Alright guys, let's do a quick recap. I didn't really pull that much, but I did pull one, so that's pretty good. Oh, I'm seeing a rare. As for our rares, we have 1 Altitude Knight, 1 Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Rhino, 1 Madolce Messengelato, and 1 Justice of Prophecy. That's actually a pretty good rare. Then for, of course, our promos, the promos is Kalos. We have Tidal Ruler, Dragon of Waterfalls, BLS, Ally of Justice Catastor, Super Dreadnought, Brotherhood, Dreadnought Cannon, Gustav Max, Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Bear, and our 1 pull, Constellar Sombre. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my tin opening, and stay tuned for more Yu-Gi-Oh videos. This is Prodigy signing out.